Hey guys, welcome to vidskitchen. Today we are going to make a garlic butter prawn. The ingredients for this garlic butter prawn is 1 kilogram of cleaned prawn, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. So let's get into it. Now we're going to put the oil into the pan. So first I'll put the oil in. I'll put the oil first so the butter doesn't burn. Okay, now I'm going to put it on 350 so it doesn't. Okay, 350, and now I'm going to put the butter in. So first I'm going to put it like that. Okay, and then I'm going to just constantly stir them together. Okay, now I'm going to put the garlic in. So first I'll put it here. Now I'm going to just stir it all in. Okay. Now I'm going to put the prawns in. Okay. Now I'm going to mix them all together. After I put the prawns inside, I've changed it into high. And see, now it's all become pink and it's become very curly. I have added some salt while cooking, and now I'm going to add some more salt. So let's sprinkle it. Okay, now I'm going to put the chili flakes inside. So first I'll put it in. Then I'm going to put the peppers inside. Then I'm going to put lime. I'm going to use this lime stick to lime the entire pan. It's optional, and you can do it if you want to. Okay, I'll squeeze the lime. Now I'm going to mix it all together. Taking the prawns out of the pan on a plate, and then I put it on a plate. Now I'm going to garnish it with coriander leaves. So first I'm going to just take some and I'm going to sprinkle it all over. Look at that. Now I'm going to eat my prawns. So first I'm going